Playing pretty hot there, Carmen.
We're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Our guest artist this week is my brother Tony. And Tony and I, we've been playing music. We learned to play together. He actually learned before I did a couple of years.
I just didn't learn it as well.
Well, no, you learned it very well. And then you started teaching me, and then, oh God, we've done so many great gigs
Then
together.
Carmen came back to me with some lead licks that he learned, and I didn't know what he was doing.
I ain't doing nothing.
And,
But anyway, we're having
had
fun. And, you know, we're doing the show at 12 o'clock on Saturday. We're going to run it at 6 o'clock tomorrow for those of you who may not see it now. You'll see it at its regular time tomorrow. And then at 1:30, I've got to split out of here and get down to Knott's Berry Farm because I'm starting my Knott's Berry Farm thing again. And I'll be there
Today and tomorrow?
today, tomorrow, and Monday.
And Monday.
Yeah, they called back and said 3 days, so I'm going to be doing that, having fun. So, what's the schedule? Because what we'll be doing, if I have to work on a Sunday, then we'll do this show like on a Saturday or a Friday night. We'll go live, but then we'll always run it at 6 o'clock Sunday night for all the regulars who seem to go there at 6 and want to see the show.
Attendance has been good.
That's it. Been great.
Yeah.
Now we're feeding back a little, so just everybody move their own mics around. Might be me, I don't know. Anyway, so Tony, do another one.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, I guess so we're going to work you a little bit today. What key are we in?
Everybody's been hit with these high gas prices, so we're going to do an old country song that was written quite a few years ago, but when gas prices were still high, by the way. But this is a cute country song called Back When Gas Was 30 Cents a Gallon and Love Was Only 60 cents Away. Now you do the math.
I used to fill up my Volkswagen for $5.
Yeah, remember those?
I still have that car.
I used to pay, when I was 18 years old, I paid 22 cents a gallon for gasoline. I was complaining then about it being too high.
Now, I'll say one more thing about that. I remember years ago, back in the 50s and early 60s, that if you went out on a date, you know, you were a little tight on money and everything was, you would allow 50 cents for gas. Because it was only, like he said, 20 cents a gallon, you know.
If you had
cents,
$3, you
two
had
and a half
enough
gallons, yeah.
on a date.
50 cents, put in 50 cents, 75 cents, that got you all around town for the night. You looked like, you know, like you had something going.
Here, see. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, America was young and strong and brave, still is. God knows we didn't have no money, and my whole car had seen some better days. You were young and fresh as brand new roses, while I was so in love and free and brave. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, but love was only 60 cents away. Gary. Cents a gallon. Those sweet magnolias line those country roads. Oh no, we didn't have no money. My whole car had always beat a toll. But you were young and fresh as brand new roses. And I was so says. Harmony. Piano, piano. I don't think I know her. Have I seen her? I did my forgetting till it hurt. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, I didn't know the meaning of her. Oh, back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, I didn't know the meaning of her.
Good stuff, Tony.
Very good.
That's good. Do you know who did that song?
You know, I'm not
Okay.
sure. I should know, and I have to look it up.
You've been doing that song for at least 50
I've been
years.
doing
isn't
it forever,
40,
and I
50?
never looked it up.
Well, that's a great song, whoever did. You ready?
Yes.
What do you want to do, Bob? I didn't even introduce the band. Paul Marshall is up north. I guess he had somebody passed away in the family. I think it was Colleen's sister, right? And so out to that family, of course, goes our prayers and our love. I've known Paul and his lovely wife and all his kids and everybody since they started. So he'll be back next week, and of course I got Bob Gother on bass. We love Bob. He's part of the family. He's done the show a million times, and he's just a great guy. So what are you gonna sing for us?
Can we do Margaritaville?
Absolutely. Do it, Timmy.
One, two, one, two, three. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bathe. All those tourists covered with oil, strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell them shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasted away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost sugar song. Some people claim that there's a woman name, but I know it's nobody's fault. my old damn farm.
John Palmer on the drums.
I don't want any excuses. I want to know why Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa are late.
It was her fault.
No, I don't want to hear it. You're both of you have got to sit in the corner for 30 minutes.
They're worth waiting for, I'll tell you that.
I had a meeting.
Okay, folks, the show can start now.
Yeah.
I was wondering where you guys were. Thanks for coming up.
Oh, absolutely.
I have a question.
What do you got?
Is there a doctor in the house?
Yeah, that's right. Dr. Kathy and Dr. Teresa, we are in good hands.
That's right.
We got Joey here tonight, Brandon. Oh God, she's gonna kill me. I forgot his,
Jackie.
Jackie! I talked to her all for an hour a little while ago and I forgot her name.
I
Oh
don't
well.
blame you.
So, Tony, do another one.
See ya. Gary, you wanna do something in here? Break it up?
Oh, okay, let's let Gary do one. Swan, you got it.
Does he have a mic?
Mike Cloggers.
What do we got?
One more last chance.
But if you don't want one,
Give it.
okay.
Yeah, you'll hear it.
Take it again.
She was standing at the front door, and I came home last night. Good cook in that tank, roll
like the record.
Gary Swan is
Exactly.
back. Gary, we missed you last week.
Yeah.
Except for the $1 Million Musicians on the
Tony,
record.
do another one. You're our guest artist. Coming to you from, you know, I usually say this to Paul, but this week I'm going to say it to Bob. We're right next door to Bob Smith Toyota. Do you realize that?
Yeah.
Right next door. Okay, so
There it is. You can throw a rock.
it's right on the other side of that wall right there. Carmine's Country Corner, make sure you push like and share if you're watching us on Facebook, and on YouTube, push subscribe and like or something like that. You know what to do. What do you got, Tony?
I can't
That's where we're
stop loving you. I made up my mind to live in memory of forgotten time. I can't stop dreaming about the things you could say. So I'll just live my life in a dream of yesterday. And those happy hours that we once knew, so long ago, still amaze me. They say that time heals a broken heart, but time stood still since we've been apart. Play guitar, Carmen. I'll play good. And those happy hours that we once knew, so long ago, it still makes me blue. They say the time heals a broken heart, but time stood still since we've been apart. I can't stand for loving you. shouting. I got the job. Thank you, Carmen. That's great.
You do have
Gary,
the
great
job.
piano work. Thank you.
And you're doing a good job.
Well, I tell you, with a band like this, all you got to do is move your mouth around a little bit, and it'll make you look good. Great
right.
music, guys.
Good
Great.
band, good
Bob,
band. Fun stuff.
great stuff. Thank you.
Bob, what do you got? You got something else?
Yeah, let's do Ramblin' Fever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go, another Merle Haggard thing, you know.
Ramblin' Fever. Ramblin' Fever.
It's all straightforward. I'll do the best I can.
No, I use the can.
All right, we're ready.
My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear that same old song. I don't leave the highway long enough to walk down in the mud. I got rambling fever in my blood. I caught this rambling fever long ago when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. If anyone ever said I gave a damn, the damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, there's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. Well, I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna drive on the highway right away, like some old highline pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Hurry. There's times I like to bed down on the sofa and let some pretty lady rub my back. Spend the early morning drinking coffee and talking about when I'll be coming back. I don't let the woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. Gonna drive along the highway right away, like some old highline pole. This restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees.
remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. You know, I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. He never took his guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot, I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away. There ain't no money in it, it'll lead you to an early grave. Admitted old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I could see him half stoned, picking out the lovesick blues. Now when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. There's a lot of big preachers and they know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Clayton Delaney. Oh, Tony, you guest artist. Oh, Gary, you want to do one more than we did? Let Tony do it. I never do it, and that's on the other song. Yeah. Well, you know, it's a net. You can do it and get away with it. It's not a big deal. Yeah. No. They're talking about hitting that minor chord in Clayton Delaney. Now, I do 3 songs. I do Clayton Delaney, and I do Blue and Broken Hearted Me. Those are the 2, I think.
Paul is always.
And Blue and Broken Hearted Me, folks, those of you who know music will know this. It goes to the minor chord.
Right.
But Clayton Delaney, it doesn't. However, it could. In other words, if the bass player did it or the piano player did it, it'd be like almost like a nice touch. You don't have to do it, but it doesn't hurt. Am I right, Bob?
Paul Marshall is.
It doesn't
always
really hurt
right.
the song. It doesn't really.
Thank you for the music lesson.
Well, no.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
just letting them know that don't know. I'm not teaching you anything. Of course not.
I'll
You
give-
know,
I'll
you
give
know
you
way
guys-
more than I
hey,
do.
I'm
I'll
joking
give you-
around. I'm
You know, I'm
joking.
give you
talking
a
to like
lesson.
Dr. Kathy right now with all, and she knows a little bit about music too,
I'll
and
give
so
you a
does
lesson.
Dr. Teresa.
Listen to Paul Marshall.
But yeah, but it flows.
Paul has
It doesn't-
country music in his blood.
Anyway, so Bob, don't hit that 6th and Clayton Delaney anymore.
I'm staying with Paul
Oh,
Marshall.
that's
No,
great.
Paul Marshall
We're
is
having
the
fun
authority.
here, folks, at Carmine's Country Corner. I got my brother Tony.
Glad to be here, Carmen.
As
Having
it is.
fun.
How much time we got, Kim? I don't have a clock today.
We have 20-something minutes.
How many?
20 minutes? 22 minutes.
22 minutes, okay.
Time flies. Oh.
We're having fun.
I don't want you guys interrupting me anymore when I'm correcting you.
Okay.
Paul Marshall is an encyclopedia of
Yes.
country music.
He does.
He
He knows
has
a
it
lot.
going through his blood. So
Yes.
don't ever argue with what he says.
I won't. But he's not here today.
Yeah, but when he comes back, I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell on all of
So I
you.
can't have the way of arguing with him. He's not here.
I'm gonna tell on all of you when he comes back.
So what do you want to do?
Okay,
Kim, give me a water, honey.
Rodriguez. Gee.
Young Kim.
I've been knowing old you over my left shoulder. I spend most all my time searching for four-leaf clover. If you would help me chase my rainbow. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes, babe. That's the music God made for the whole wide world to see. It never gets old, it only grows. Music makes me sorry. Say, honey, don't worry. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. Music makes me sorry. You say, honey, don't worry. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes. Honey, I love you too. That's the way love goes.
Very pretty.
Great song, man.
Real pretty song. Great stuff.
We're here at Carmine's Country Corner having more fun than we should be having. We're doing it Saturday at 12 o'clock. We did the show because I have to get down to Knott's Berry Farm by 1, and I'm working there tomorrow, and I'm working there Monday, so I can't do the show on Sunday at 6 because I'll be at Knott's. But we'll just
How come
rerun
you're
it.
getting all these gigs there? Oh, you got a lot of gigs going here.
Well, you know, we work at, I've been doing this past 6 years. I work at Knott's I'm very blessed to have this gig. We work from around August all the way to like May, first week of May, like 7, 8, 9 months. And then we take a couple of months off and they bring in these other great musicians, a band called the Miners, and I think a fellow named Bob Moore. And I've worked with him a few times. A good artist, yeah, good singer, great guitar player. And he does, I think he's kind of runs that show. And so I don't have any part of that, but then they bring us back near the beginning of August, and I couldn't play because I was on the road with Susan, going across country. But they started me the first of week in September, and I'll be playing all the way through now till whenever,
You're coming to your season now.
till May. Yep, gonna be a lot of work, a lot of fun, a lot of picking. Gets cold in the wintertime. You know, you gotta go down there and play, and boy, sometimes you're earning your money at that point. Anyway, Tony, you're our guest artist. We got about another 15 minutes to go
true,
again.
You know, I wouldn't be here if I didn't do the midnight special. You know
Let's
that,
do
don't
it, you
you?
bet. That's in the
I just come in
It's
'cause
in the
I wanna do that.
contract.
It's in the contract. I gotta do the midnight special. In
What
the
key?
Key and D dog.
You know?
Oh, you wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring. You know you come to the table, see the same old thing. Put food on the table, ain't got no pork in the pan. You know you better not complain, boy. You'll get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. To let the midnight special shine that light on me. And let the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. Harvey. Here is one. Going to come Miss Rosie. How the heck do I know? By the way she wears her apron and other clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She comes to see the governor. She gonna free her man. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. Midnight special shine that light on me. And let the midnight special shine that light on me. Come on. If you ever get to Houston, you better do surf and grab you. And his boys will take you down. And before you know it, you'll be prison bound. So let the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. Oh, special, shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine its light on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me. The midnight special. I gotta remember the words to this.
How much time we got, Kim? I do not have a clock up here. Folks, I hope you're enjoying the show. We're having fun. I always have fun when I play with my brother, Tony.
Thank you, Carmen. I'm having a great time up
You
there.
know,
Thank you for having me.
I hate to bring this up, but I really miss my brother, Buddy.
Oh, God.
Buddy was part of our band for so many years,
You
and
know, there were 6 brothers for so many years. There's 17 children, 11 girls and 6 boys. And people always say, well, how many, 11 sisters, or how many boys were there? We'd all say 6. And now we got to say 4.
I know.
It's kind of a bummer.
Well,
but you
there's
know
still
what?
6 in my mind.
We thank God for the years He gave us.
Boy, he gave us
We
a lot.
thank God for the years He gave us.
Now I'm going to tell you a funny story about Sonny. Now, Gary Swan loves this story. We were doing this back in the '60s, and Fender Rhodes had just come out with one of the very first electric pianos. Remember those?
I had one,
Yeah. How much did they weigh?
thousands of.
1,000 pounds. I mean, really, it was a kind of piano it should have come with a forklift, you know, just to get it around town. So my brother Sonny, it's a true story, Bobby, buys a brand new one because he wants to be part of the Saddle Brother Band, which included me, Buddy, Tony, who else? Me, Buddy, Tony, Adrian played drums.
Right.
Our brother. What is it? Just
My brother.
borderline feeding back in his
We're
question.
getting feedback.
But it's we're okay. We're okay. Anyway, real quick, he buys this new piano. The problem is it weighs so much that he can't get it in the car without help. So we would always kind of say like, "Oh man, I got to go help Sonny load his piano to come do the gig." He was getting a little tired of lifting that thing. And
It was a big piano.
well, it
All
was good.
pianos are heavy, but this was a big.
This thing was, anyway, supposed to be portable, yeah. So we're doing a gig at the Angeles Crest Country Club. It had just been built, brand new. We go up there. We're playing a wedding or something, and Sonny and I are lifting, and Tony were lifting his piano and get it on stage. We set up. Sonny plays great. We all have fun. We packing up, and we're all thinking, who's going to help Sonny load this piano back in his car? You know, thing weighed like I don't know what. Anyway, Sonny says, "Just leave it. I'll come get it tomorrow." True story.
He did the gig and never went back for a piano.
What?
That's
He
too
went-
heavy to take
he
it
went
back.
home.
Just keep it.
Next time, a few weeks later, Sonny, we got this gig. He says, I'm not doing the gig. One night, I don't have a piano. So what happened to your piano? He said, I left it at the show at the Angeles Crest Country Club.
Oh my
I think he
I
was
think
hoping
the
they'd
last
call
thing I
back
s-
next year.
Yeah,
Maybe they'll call us back next year and the piano will
They'll
be
play
there,
it
you know.
But
That's
I
fine.
think the last thing I saw him do was we were all leaving. Let's say the piano was over there. He kind of went, and he walked out. And we all went home, and he left it. He never went back and got it. He didn't try to sell it, junk it, do nothing. He didn't want to lift it. He was tired of lifting it. True story.
Hey, we
Sonny,
all,
we love you.
we all
And
left
that's
our
his,
pianos.
that sign up there that I have, Sato Interior Services, was his company right down there in La Cañada. And if you notice in the lower right-hand corner, well, Merle might be covering a little. It's a little picture of Sonny. I do not have a picture of my brother Buddy yet because I can't. I gotta find a good one of him big enough to hang here, and I will do that soon because he passed away a year after Sonny did. But we just those two boys were just great guys. And anyway, so they're in heaven and making somebody else happy right now. That's what they're doing. All right, what do we got? How much time we got? I talked for the last 10 minutes. How much time we got, Kimmy?
8 minutes
8 minutes.
or 7.
Bob, do one and then Tony will close it.
Okay, let's do the fire one.
Okay, hey.
Yeah. This is one for all the dancers in our listening audience.
I'm sorry. We're gonna do G. I'm sorry. G.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ba 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 ba.
Call me the fireman, that's my name. I'm making my rounds all over town, putting out old flames. Everybody like to have what I got. I can cool them down when they're smoldering hot. I'm the fireman, oh that's my name. Last night they had a bad one a mile or two down the road. Somebody walked up and left the smoke burning out of control. Well, I was down there about an hour or so with a little mouth of mouth. She was ready to go. I'm the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Yeah, they call me the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Making my rounds all over town, putting out old flames. Everybody like to have what I got. I can cool them down when they're smoldering hot. I'm the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Come on. I drive a fire engine red T-Bird automobile. In a minute or less, I can be dressed fit to kill. I work 24 on, I'm working 24 on. When it gets too hot, they just give me a call. I'm the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Yeah, they call me the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Making my rounds all over town, putting out old flames. Well, everybody like to have what I got. I can cool them down when they're smoldering hot. I'm the fireman. Oh, that's my name. Play it again, play it again.
We're going to have Tony close the show. Want to thank you all for coming. Dr. Kathy, thank you. Dr. Teresa, thank you.
Teresa,
Of course, Kim.
my love.
Yes. My grandson,
They'll never
Brandon.
know.
Joey, our good friend. And Jack.
Thank you.
I got it that time. Tony, thanks for coming up and helping us out.
Thanks
Paul
for
had to
having me. We had
take
a
the
great
week off
time.
and you
Great
filled,
band.
filled in
Thank
great.
you, Bob. Just great. And
Bob Goff, I love you. You be,
John Palmer, Gary, great band. Great fun to play with.
and Palmer, thank you. All you guys, I love you all. Okay, Tony, close out. We'll see you next week, folks. Don't be late.
In the key of D. Pool number 1. And my pool number 1. And my pool number 2. How many other pools been fooled by you? I know that the number is far from being small, and I bet I'm still the biggest of all. Am I fool number 1? Fool number 2? And how many other fools been fooled by you? I'll bet that the number is far from being small, and I know I'm still the biggest of all. The guitar. If I had my way, I'd do it all again. I'd walk down the same old road, pick 2 around and then I would break to those arms and there I'd fall. 'Cause I know I'm still the biggest fool. Gary, one time. Cha-cha-cha.
Good night, folks. See you next week.